Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I'm quickly going to show you how I'm saving a lot of money on electricity heating this place every winter now, from now on. I should have done it a long time ago, but you see this room is just a nightmare to heat because it's a vaulted ceiling. It's got these big 220 volt floor heaters, these baseboard heaters that take forever to heat this room. It just takes forever, and I don't think it has really good insulation either. So basically I flipped the breakers on those. I'm not heating this room, the living room anymore. I'm only heating this room. I moved my sewing table in here. This is where I do most of my work, at this table. Well, I found room in my little room. This one little room is now heated with this one little space heater, and that's it. And so, additionally, instead of heating the kitchen, which is totally worthless, by using this oven, this little oven, I use this a lot. And I also use my slow cookers a lot. I brought both of those in here, and yesterday I heated the hell out of this room by cooking in here as well. So all I have to do is prep the food, bring it in here, stick it in that one of those two things, and I am heating this room with heat that was just going into the ceiling in the kitchen, not being used, completely worthless, waste of money. So there you go. All you have to do is start thinking. I finally did. I finally made the effort. Basically, I think I just didn't want to waste all of that space in there for 4 months. Well, it's more worth it to save all of that electricity and be in here where it's easy to heat it. That was ridiculous anyway to heat. It would take me, by noon it was warm outside generally enough to heat that room anyway, and so I was just wasting a lot of electricity. It was ridiculous. So anyways, additionally, another thing I did was I turned off the breaker for this wall, the outlets for this wall, and made this corner EMF-safe. So I ran an extension cord in from the other room into here. So this corner has a lot of EMF, electromagnetic frequencies, or like magnetic fields. That side has a lot of magnetic fields. At night I turn this off by flicking a switch that I've created in there. And so at night I sleep in a place that's EMF safe, that corner of the room. And I've tested all of this with a tri-field meter. I own a tri-field meter and a multimeter. So there you go. I hope this helps you out, save some money, and sleep with less electricity in your body. Bye.